Guys, we're going to try Panda Express. I'm going drive through today.
Hello, thank you for choosing Panda Express. We're promoting our hot blazing bourbon chicken. Will you be using any Panda rewards today?
No ma'am. Can I get a bigger plate, please?
I'm sorry?
A bigger plate?
A bigger plate?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what chow mein or rice?
Half chow mein, half rice.
And your 3 entree?
Can I get a shrimp?
You said mushroom?
Shrimp.
Shrimp, honey walnut?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, and what else?
And can I get a teriyaki chicken?
And one more?
And can I get a orange chicken and a bourbon chicken, please?
You said the orange chicken in the box?
Or
Bourbon.
Bourbon chicken.
Which one?
Bourbon chicken.
Oh, the bourbon chicken?
Uh-huh.
Unfortunately, we don't have that one anymore. Today we ran out.
Okay, can I get a teriyaki chicken then? Chow mein for my cameraman. This is ragoon. I'm gonna share with my cameraman. Oh, that's a golden chicken. Shrimp. God, I'm in a hurry. I'm hungry. Oh, that's a heavy. Too sweet. Smells really good.
No.
That's okay. Chicken is vegetarian too.
No, it's not.
If you want chicken, eat all veggies.
That's fine.
Walnut shrimp is really good.
Crispy.
My cameraman, he said, smells really good. She can wait. Take one piece. That's fine.
Bro, no fork?
Oh my God, really? They give only one?
I have a spoon. Spoon na kala mo?
That's okay. Good.
Le.
What happened?
It's eaten.
Huh?
I ate it.
That's fine.
Oh, you want another one?
No, that's fine. She gave me half. That was her plan. I have half you gave me.
Okay.
That's my dessert. Last bite. Empty. Chow mein and rice was okay. I give 10 of 5. For the teriyaki chicken, I gave also 10 of 6. Shrimp was good. For the shrimp, I give 10 of 9, and I will go back for sure. For the shrimp, ragoon, crispy, creamy, give 10 of 8. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Enjoy.